Hello! Welcome to Timber and New, my name's Clint. I was sorting through my scrap bin recently and I found this tiny piece of oak and it sort of got me thinking, what can you make with something so small? So I figured maybe some kind of pendant or something like that, so with that in mind, that's what I'm going to try and make today. I hope you enjoy it. thanks a lot for watching that build. I apologise for doing 2 carving videos in a row, but you know, I saw that piece of oak there and I had to do something about it. I couldn't think what else to do with it. I think it was much easier to do than the unicorn as well, so that's good. For the moment anyway. I don't think I'll wear it, but I can see it sort of hanging up in the shed somewhere or on my rearview mirror in my car or something like that, you know. I think that might look alright. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it and you aren't subscribed already, then please subscribe. Catch me on Wednesdays at 5 PM GMT on Twitch. This week I'm going to be building a little caddy for my chalk and chalk eraser. So join me there if you feel like it. There'll be a link in the description. Yeah, I think that's it. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll catch you again soon.